The globe is overwhelmed by trash. The best solution is to recycle. In this video, we are going to make an RC airplane out of trash. Now choose the best airfoil for your application. Sure, you have to read a lot of articles, and then you can magnify. Difficult to have the wingspan, or sorry, the chord length that you need. For example, if we need 10 centimeters length or more, for example, we can maximize and minimize the figures. Okay, this, for example, if we need it as 10 centimeter chord length, we can magnify it, zoom in until we have 10 centimeter chord length. For me, I have chosen this airfoil, and with the good zoom in, we have almost 10 centimeters. We bring the paper and draw the airfoil. For this one, for example, it is 10 centimeters. We draw the airfoil. Sure, we have to do it carefully, more careful than I have done now. This is a foam board. I found it on my way home, and I'm going to draw the airfoil. This is my way to draw the airfoil. So this is the airfoil. I think this is the best way to do it. Which is perfect airfoil. The airfoils. I'm planning to have 40-inch wingspan. I cut them with the blade, okay, and then file them with wood file until we have the airfoil. Now this is the cardboard wing. The airfoils, the foam airfoils, are glued on the cardboard with white glue, and I opened here a long slot by removing the upper side of the cardboard so it can be bent freely. And now, using a ruler, I will be bending the cardboard slightly in order to make the camber, upper camber, slightly, no need to do it too much. use this pipe, this plastic pipe. There is a part of this toy arrow. It will be placed here inside the airfoils. Why that? So it will be easier for me to insert. It will be easier for me to insert the wing in the airplane. So it will be inserted easily in the airplane. And this is the left wing, and this is the right wing. So it will be about 3, 4, 6, about 1 meter 25 centimeters, the wingspan.
I made also a wing made totally of foam. Again, I used the blade and the file, but I have to admit it's not easy. It's not an easy task. It's very hard, and I think that it's better to use hot wire to cut the foam, although I don't have one, and I'm thinking to make one now. So this is also about 40 inches, 1 meter wingspan. Okay, here we have dihedral here and here. So I will test both wings, and I'm thinking to cover this one also with cardboard. So we need to make the two wing tips of equal dimensions, so we put them together, and sure we have to use a pen, a pencil, or whatever we have. Okay, that's it. Now we need to cut the wing, the longer wing, and we need to cut the wings here as well in order to have wings of equal dimensions.
Trying to complete the wing. The wing has a middle part and left and right parts, and I need to connect them like this with angle like this. So I tried first angled metal bars, but trying to connect the two parts, but it ended that it was not a wise idea. So now I'm using cardboards in order to connect them. So I will glue a cardboard part here, and this part will be glued to the left wing part.
vertical stub area is too small with regard to its horizontal stub area, so I cut this. This is the right side from cardboard. This will come here, and this is the left side, will come here. So the vertical stub area will be more suitable for the airplane.
Prepared previously the elevators. This is the elevator, the left one. It will go here.
Now I'm regluing the connector between the two elevators for maximum strength, maximum leverage, and minimum resistance. And now we will glue the control horns. The first control horn will be on the rudder. Okay, so and this is the connection rod. The connection rod will be connected to the control horn, and its other side will be connected to the servo motor here, somewhere here. So I will give here an angle for this control horn, okay, in order to be parallel to the connector rod. So somewhere here is good. Let me see. The second one, I will put it here. Again, let me make some experimental measuring. Okay, somewhere here is fine. Now we still have to put the servo motors here and connect them to the control horns.